RubberForm would like to introduce our new 2-inch mini berm. We'll be extruding this in-house, so this is different from our current product offering. We currently offer a 3-inch drive-over berm and a 1 7/8 inch high drive-over berm, which come in 3-foot sections, which we usually connect together to build your containment area, okay? So with the new 2-inch berm, this is extruded in longer sections, so you'll have less seams to contend with, and it's going to be easier to install, a shorter lead time, and it's going to be more effective in the sense that you'll have less seams to contend with and less issues with installing sealant and potential for leakage. So we're pretty proud of this new product, and it's going to make a lot of people's lives easier installing spill containment berms for overhead garage doors or any corridors that you see in factories such as this one.